Hi guys, me Artistry here. Today I'm gonna do a Dutch pour on an 8-inch square canvas using metallic colors. I want to try using an unusual base color. Here I am using Folkarts sterling silver. Let's begin by pouring the base color. I have mixed 1 part paint to 1.5 parts Floetrol and a few drops of distilled water. I didn't add any silicone here. This is DecoArt's Ruby, Folkarts Pure Gold, DecoArt's Amethyst, Ruby again, and finally DecoArt's Teal. The amethyst and teal combination looks very attractive. I'm already liking these colors. I am adding some silver here and blowing the colors with the help of the hairdryer in a linear direction. There is too much of silver on one side which I doesn't like, so I am adding some colors here. Popping up bubbles with the help of the blowtorch. By tilting the canvas, I am trying to eliminate the excessive silver paint on the top right side. This is after 2 days, the paints are dry. The colors have come out well. I love this metallic combination, especially the amethyst, teal and ruby against the silver background. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you guys think about this pour in the comment section. Hit a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, press the bell icon and turn on the notifications as there are more art videos coming soon. Take care and bye.